Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. We have a very special video today, guys. I received a comment, and I am going to honor this comment and give her video. Come on back. But before we get to this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. We appreciate you as well. Now, come on, let's get into this video. Oh, hello. This is a very special video to me. I got a comment, guys, and they need our help. So on Friday video, I have received a new family member, a new subscriber, and her name is Shawnee's Snow. Don't worry, you'll get an official shout out on my shout out Mondays, okay, Shawnee's? Thank you for subscribing and welcome to the family. Can everybody comment down below and welcome Shawnee's Snow to the family? What a beautiful name. Well, anyway, she comments, do you have any information on what can help with cellulite naturally, besides just exercising? If so, please make a video. I would really appreciate it. So let me read that again. From Shawnee Snow, do you have any info on what can help with cellulite naturally, besides just exercising? If so, please make a video. I would really appreciate it. Well, that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm making a video for you, Shawnee's, and anyone else that needs this help as well. And upon me planning this out, I have noticed that there's a lot of things that we can do. So there will be a couple of videos for you, Shawnee's, that's going to help you, okay? So let's start with this. First of all, let's start how to remove cellulite naturally, okay? Naturally at home. What's going on here now, we're not going into salons and all of this, so you need to know how to deal with this issue at home. So the first thing we need to know is actually, what is cellulite? So let me tell you what is cellulite. Cellulite is your fat cells accumulating and pushing up against the skin tissue, okay? Which leaves an appearance of lumpy skin and dimples, all right? So it's fatty cells that accumulates and it pushes up against your skin tissues. You can have cellulite on your stomach, butt, the back of your arms, and your legs as well. I have it on my stomach and I have it on my legs. Probably the back of my arms as well. Some main causes of cellulite are hormonal changes, poor circulation, I can see that, dehydration, muscle tone, genetics, fluid retention, weight, poor diet, weak collagen structure, deficiency of fatty acids, which can weaken you, okay? Collagen. Now, this is the main thing. Collagen is what holds everything together. So when you get older, your skin loses collagen and begins to sag and weak, okay? Collagen is the glue that holds things together. Before I continue to go on, let me give you the quote of today. The quote of today is, "It's you I like." Let me say that again. The quote of today is, "It's you I like." So, there are other things that we have to take in consideration. We have to take in consideration what we are putting in our bodies. So we're talking about foods now. I'm going to break these down into videos because there's so much information. And I'm so happy, Shanice, that you decided to ask me that question. And I am able to give you this information and whoever else needs it. The best foods to get rid of your cellulite is bone broth, which I call liquid gold. And we're going to talk more into depth about bone broth. If you ever heard of bone broth, let me know. Comment down below. You also need to look into foods that are high in potassium and magnesium. Okay? Foods that are high in potassium and magnesium. Also, you're looking at foods that are high in fatty acids. Fatty acids. And then, of course, the old dreaded foods to avoid. So there's a lot of things that we have to talk about. Get more collagen in your body. You know, how can you get more collagen in your body so you can have a smooth surface? That's when we talk about bone broth. You can get protein for collagen. And in that protein for collagen, you make sure that they have the bones of fish bone, chicken bone, beef bone, you know, eggshells, membrane. All of that has good collagen. Moringa is an herb. Moringa is very good for getting, you know, the collagen back into your body. Juicing. Green leafy vegetables. Eating lots of vegetables. Well, I'm going to take this one step by step because there's so much information. And also essential oils to use. There's also soaps. I make a coffee soap. Coffee is very, very good for cellulite. Exercising, besides exercising, burst movement. That means like spin cycling, something that's fast, walking real fast on a treadmill, something that's burst, and also burst movement, fast, quick. And also working, toning, like on a bar exercise. I'll also talk about creams, sugar scrubs, soaps, and there's a thing called dry brushing. So there's a lot that we have to talk about. There's a lot that's going on. First things first, I would like to continue talking about cellulite. Exfoliating to help remove cellulite. Cellulite is your fat cells accumulating and pushing up against the skin. We also talked about healthy skin glow. So exfoliating for cellulite would be number one, dry brushing. What does dry brushing do? Dry brushing increases your blood circulation, increases blood flow, and circulates the production of collagen, which is very important because collagen helps increase skin elasticity and also toning your skin and reducing the appearance of fat cells. So let me say that again. Let me read that to you again. Dry brushing increases blood circulation. It also increases blood flow and circulates the production of collagen, which is very important because collagen helps increase skin elasticity, toning your skin, and reducing the appearance of fat cells. Okay? So that's what dry brushing does for you. So I'm going to do a whole complete video. Yes, I have dry brushes, and we're going to talk about what type of brush and all that good stuff. So I'm going to do a separate video on that because these videos can get long and I only have 15 minutes per video. All right. I talked about coffee into your skin care is very helpful. Coffee helps reduce swelling, naturally removes dead skin, leaving it silky smooth. It's an antitoxin. It helps fight free radical. Coffee helps reduce cellulite. The caffeine in coffee will stimulate the blood flow, which will help in tightening your skin. Okay? And I have a coffee soap as well. Go to my Etsy, Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off of hands on Etsy. Going over my notes, guys, making sure that I said everything I need to say. So, Shanice, I hope that was helpful for you. I'm going to continue with the best foods to get rid of cellulite in the next video. Okay, so stay tuned. And anybody that's interested in helping cellulite naturally, besides exercising, tell them to like and share this video. All right, so they can get the information as well. See you guys in the next video. Love you. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now. And thank you so much for leaving that comment. And I hope that this was useful. Keep watching because I got some good stuff coming up for you. Bye for now. Bye, guys.